you shoot material at one end, you get pushed in the other direction by the action of the material leaving.
Diaz's rocket funnels superheated plasma through magnets to produce thrust. And thrust means speed.
What makes it go very fast is because it's so hot. The particles inside a gas or a plasma, in our case, are moving very fast. The magnetic field aligns these particles so that their movement is all going in the same direction. And that gives you the rocket that you want.
Because the plasma is so hot, the atoms are moving at tremendous speed. The magnets in the engine align those speeding atoms and shoot them out to create thrust. So much thrust that with the magnetoplasma rocket, Chang Diaz thinks we could make trips to planets like Mars routine.
With this technology, we could get to Mars as fast as 39 days.
But for now, the magnetoplasma rocket remains in development. Chang Diaz hopes to have it ready for testing in space by 2011.
Our first test will be done on the International Space Station. Things will happen very quickly after that. I think that person that is going to walk on Mars is already alive somewhere. Hopefully he's here in our team.
Even though humans are running faster, cars are racing faster, and computers are processing faster, we're still using the same propulsion power from decades ago. And since speed's key to our exploration of space, it's up to scientists to find new ways to go fast.